Good morning, students. In last session, we have completed past examination questions up to 2020, I think, of investment accounts. And today we are going to start with remaining problems of investment accounts. I hope you have completed your homework for past examination questions and all TYK questions and study material questions. So let's start. Before starting any session, first we have to finish our basic rules of accounts, that is traditional rules. In traditional approach, personal account, debit the debtor, credit the creditor, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Personal and real account are carried to balance sheet and nominal accounts are transferred to P&L. Friends, modern approach talks about asset debit balance, liability credit balance, expenses debit balance, income credit balance, capital credit balance. Remember, in investment chapter, we have divided investment accounts in two parts, equity shares and debentures. On debentures, you are getting fixed rate of dividend, fixed rate of interest, and therefore we record it at X right value, X interest price, not right, X interest price. Remember, we prepare 4 columns, face value to calculate interest, interest column to know how much interest we have to pay to the past previous holder. So that interest column is very important. Then we write it in the inner column, and last one is the outer column. We write X interest amount. Solving debenture interest questions, very easy questions, but you have to follow sequence. That sequence is very important, date-wise sequence for debentures question. So before starting any question, first write down or sequence itself on your question paper. ABCD, that date-wise sequence is important. After that, equity shares. Remember, in case of equity shares, bonus shares are always free of cost. Right shares, we have two parts, either renounce it or we can give it to any, we can purchase by own. So we have two options. One, you can transfer it. Whenever you are transferring it, you have to write it in the profit and loss account. But remember, इन्वेस्टमेंट चैप्टर में इक्विटी शेयर्स के प्रॉब्लम्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही आसान रहेंगे. बट वेन एवर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग एनी sales entry or you pass sales entry, you have to prepare working note to calculate profit or loss on sales. This is a quick revision of investment chapter. I hope you understood each and every concept in detail. And now it's time to solve questions. So good morning students once again. चलो लिख दो गुड मॉर्निंग और जल्दी से आ जाइए. यस बेटा, वेरी गुड. अब्दुल भाई ने लिखा है, सर आई हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल इलस्ट्रेशंस एंड टीवाई के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट चैप्टर एक्सेप्ट टीवाई के 1 एंड टीवाई के 4. वाई बेटा, वो भी खत्म करो. यस, नैनेश भाई साहब ने ऑल बैलेंस शीट प्रोफॉर्मा आज भेजी हुई है. अनीशा ओझा, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. संस्करण, गुड मॉर्निंग. हर्षिता, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. शुभांगी, ज्योति, जीआर, ज्योति बेटा वापस गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. नहीं, 2 ज्योति है हमारे यहाँ पे. गोमती, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. चंदन कुमार, शिवम, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सर, राइटिंग इन क्वेश्चन पेपर इज अलाउड. अनीश ओझा, अनीश ओझा, ओनली ABCD यू हैव टू राइट ऑन द क्वेश्चन पेपर. तो इतना कुछ कोई इतना एक्शन नहीं लेगा, बट ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत चलता है. ऐसा एकदम डिटेल में मत लिखो. जस्ट सीक्वेंस ABCD तो मार्क कर ही सकते हो ना. Yes. Vanakkam, sir from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Kavita, sir, the lecture 26th is still unavailable. पता नहीं बेटा क्यों ऐसा है. चलिए. So सबने गुड मॉर्निंग तो लिख दिया. गुड मॉर्निंग सर, डन. इलस्ट्रेशंस एंड DYK डन सर. यस. मुर्तजा अली जी. प्रियंका ने रूल्स लिख के भेजे हैं. गुड बेटा. यस, चलो. So let's start. लास्ट क्वेश्चन कौन सा हुआ था? एनीवन? लास्ट क्वेश्चन जुलाई 2021. we have completed till question 2, and what is asked beta last one? Now today's session suggests values at which investment in equity shares would be reclassified in accordance with accounting standard 13. Sir, reclassification. Anyone who will tell me the provision for reclassification? Okay. Reclassification. Anyone who will tell me the provision of reclassification? Reclassification means from long-term investment, you shifted to short-term, or from short-term, you decided to convert into long-term. So it is called as reclassification. Okay. So reclassification in study material, if you read this theory or previous sessions, you will have idea for reclassification. If you transfer from current short-term investment to long-term, then you transfer at lower of cost and fair value. Okay, so cost means what? Acquisition price. Cost means at what price you bought it. It's called as acquisition price. And what is fair value? In fair value is simple to market value. It is simply market value. Fair value means simply this is a decided price between two knowledgeable willing parties is called as fair value. Okay. Then price which is decided by two knowledgeable willing parties at arm's length price. This is a technical definition. But in simple language, I will tell you it's a market value. So simple language is market value, and cost is nothing but it's an acquisition price. Okay. So current to long-term investment. So whenever you are transferring from current to long-term, it is lower of cost and fair value, but long-term to current, lower at cost or carrying amount on the date of transfer. Long-term to current, cost or carrying amount. Carrying amount means what? In simple language, it is a book value. It is a simple language. It is a book value. Sir, how to remember? See, current is always shown at cost or market value, whichever is lower. And long-term is always shown at cost. So whatever is the first one, the rule is applied for first one, that is current or long term. So current के लिए क्या याद रखना है? Long, lower of cost or fair value, whichever is date of transfer. On date of transfer, and book value or cost, whichever is lower on long term basis. Okay, so long term कौन से price पे record होता है? Normally long term is recorded at cost minus permanent reduction. Okay, permanent reduction means now you are aware that our investment is not going to record at, suppose I bought one share at 100 rupees, and now I know that share value is never going to increase apart from 30 rupees. So, but my yeah, I reduce it to 30. So 70 rupees is the permanent reduction. Okay. So 30 rupees is a price in the book value. This is a book value price. Or fair value means it's a market value. Okay. So book value means a carrying amount, and cost is 100 in this case. So in simple language, cost minus permanent reduction is a valuation of long term. If you shift to short term or current investment, in that case, you will record it at 30. But suppose if you are going to record at from current to long term, it is cost or fair value, whichever is lower. Okay. So this is how, this is a provision of accounting standard 13. So I hope you understood what is the accounting standard 13. It's very simple. Yes. Now what is asked in the question? Both investments are recorded at cost current investment, and on 15th May, they decided to reclassify the investment in equity shares, and the market price is rupees. On 15th May, the market price. So this is called as fair value. So fair value or cost, whichever is lower. At what price we have recorded? At what price investment in equity shares is recorded, beta? Okay, so we recorded it at 16,100 at 25 lakhs 100. So 25 lakhs 100 divided by 16,100. So what is the price? 155.2857 something. Okay, or 180, whichever is lower. So answer is very simple. You will record it at 155. 155.29. 2857 means 29. So see, as per the when accounting standard, when investments are classified from current investment to long-term investment, transfer is made at lower of cost or fair value. So in this case, we will record it at 155.29. It's very, very simple. Now you got this provision in the morning session, beta. Yes, tell me, you got this provision, easy or not? Check it. Easy che? Yes. Yes, Harshit. Yes. Akshobh is saying easy. मोहम्मद, yes, मुझे पता है. Okay. So reclassification, beta, 2 marks question. So 2 marks for this, 2 marks for P&L, and almost, or 3 marks, 3 marks, and 14 marks for your calculation of investment in equity shares and debentures. So students, please mark this question as IMP1 because इसपे सब कुछ था, पूरा मसाला ICAI ने दिया हुआ था. Okay. So mark this question as IMP1. चलिए. So let's move to next question. May, November, Jan. Okay. So July 2021, we have finished with. Okay. Now tell me, I already given you this list. Yes, बेटा. कौन से questions complete हो गए इसमें से बताइए जरा. Have you completed November 2020 question. Question number 2. Acha, one question students are asking me continuous. हर्षित, एक क्वेश्चन है. May 2016, बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. This question, I remember when I solved this question in May batch. Students who appeared for May 2016, I completed investment chapter, but this was googly for May 2016 students. And they were like कि सर बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आया था, बहुत डेंजर आया था. कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. But still, you never applied your mind in exam, and that is why CA course you are finding it's difficult. This question is really easy. Yes. I have doubt in FIFO. ठीक है. Question number 10. May 2016, question number 12. ज्योति झा, सेम क्वेश्चन हर्षित का. ओके, चलो. सो आज हर्षित और इनकी ख्वाहिश कंप्लीट करते हैं. A Limited purchase on 1st April 2015. See, now my session will be on 17th. Okay. Now I am not there for next 3 chapters. Another faculty will take these 3 chapters. And one more good news is that ICI is now allotting me a same sessions like batch number 5. So now you can tell me for next sessions if you are finding it's difficult, because many students like this technique, sir. We will see the recorded sessions for concepts, and we will start with solving examination questions for this batch. But again, I'm giving you 2 options, because now we decided to have proper sessions in the next month. So whether you want to continue with the same technique of past examination questions and recorded lectures of batch number 5, or then we do not have time to solve past examination questions, second option. So I'm giving you 2 options. Yes, beta. Option number 1, same technique, batch 5, recorded one, plus batch 6, past examination questions and remaining questions. And option number 2, only live sessions, but study material and TYK questions, jitna bhi hota hai. Yes, you can have 2 options. Number 1, same technique we will follow from 17. Batch 5 recorded plus batch 6 is sir के साथ past examination questions in live, or in live only study material and TYK questions. Okay, and here revision live, beta, revision live. You have two options. So accordingly, I will plan for okay. Only Jyoti is saying option two, other students are saying option one. बेटा पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस लगती है, आप कर लोगे बराबर है, पर टिकटिकी जी का टेक्निक है ना, बहुत यूजफुल टेक्निक है. सो टिकटिकी जी टेक्निक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and that is possible for past examination questions. हाँ, okay. बेटा Nanesh, can you take insurance claim chapter, beta? Beta, it is allotted to another faculty, so I can't take that session. हाँ, but you can request to ICI if you want. वेनसडे को मेरा सेशन है, एक्चुअली जरूरत नहीं है, मैं पूछता हूँ ICI को. So there is no need for investment chapter. Now you are completely aware of this chapter. चलिए, सो आ जाइए. Question number 612, May 2016. 2 to 3 students are saying only option 2. Other students are happy with option number 1. Okay, very good. चलिए बेटा, मेरा 17 से कविता में वापस आ जाऊंगा. 17 के आगे पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट होने तक मैं ही हूँ. तो अभी ये 3 टॉपिक्स आपके साथ अनदर फैकल्टी विल टेक, तो आप डोंट वरी, तो आपका हो जाएगा. तो उसके बाद मैं वापस आने ही वाला हूँ. A Limited purchase on 1st April 2015 8% convertible debentures, value of rupees 2 lakhs. Convertible means what? Convertible into equity shares. So after certain time, they will get convert into equity shares. So debentures investment account has a debit balance. After conversion, equity shares will have debit balance और debentures आपसे चले जाएंगे. So debentures will be removed from your balance sheet and instead of that, equity shares will get converted. Okay. Yes, Priyanka, नवंबर और एक सेशन है 2 नवंबर को, तो देखता हूं मैं. I don't think we'll need this session of investment chapter. So instead of that, can I take revision of all these 3-4 chapters till now? Okay. On Wednesday. 108 rupees. 2 lakhs at rupees 108. On 18th July, he purchased another 1 lakh debentures. So beta, 1st April, opening balance sheet date. 1st June, sorry. On 18th July, 18th July, 18th July. Is it correct, beta? Do it at 1st July. On 1st July. No, it's wrong, beta. Not 18th July. It's 1st July. On 1st July, he purchased another. Okay, 31st March and 30th September. 1st July, beta. It's a printing mistake. 1st July. So past owner has to pay 3 months ka interest. 1st July. Then on 1st October, debentures sold 80,000. Sold. Working note लगेगा. On 1st December, conversion option into equity shares and 25% getting converted into equity shares. The market price is 110 and 15 respectively. ठीक है. Prepare investment account. So conversion is a new concept. So why this question is difficult? Because conversion is a new option. Write down. May 2016 answer. Investment account. Investment account. Write down investment account. Tell me columns बेटा. चलो comment section में जल्दी से column बताइए. नहीं बेटा 18 जुलाई को 1st जुलाई कर दो. This was a printing mistake by me. Okay, so columns are date, particulars, very good, face value, interest, cost, date, particulars, face value, interest, cost. Date, particulars, face value, interest, cost. चलिए. Date is 1st April. 2 balance brought down. 2 lakhs. And 2000 into 108. 2,16,000. Interest is dash as balance sheet date is equal to interest date. 1st July. To bank. ₹1 lakh. Interest. 1 lakh into 8% into 3/12. 1 lakh. 2,000. At what price we bought it? 1,000 into 112. So 1,10,000 is the correct answer. 1st July. Buy bank. On 30th September. 3 lakhs into 8% into 6 by 12. 12,000. Then 1st October. Buy bank. $80,000. At what price, beta? 105. 84,000. Working note 1. Profit oblique loss on sale. Serial number. Particulars. Computation. Rupees. Roman 1 sales value as above. $84,000 less cost. Cost is beta 2,16,000. Weighted average price. So 2,16,000 plus 1,10,000 divided by 3,000. 2,000 plus 1,000 divided by 3,000. Out of that, you sold 800. So my cost is 2,16,000 plus 1,10,000 divided by 3,000 into 800. 86,933. So I am in loss. 1 minus 2. 2,933. So on the same line, you can write 2 loss. Sorry, this is profit. What I'm making. Yes, good morning, Sanket sir. Sorry, it's a buy loss. 2,933. 2,933, it's a loss on 1st October only. Then 25% इक्विटी शेयर्स में कन्वर्ट हो गए. Now what is the price? 25%. By 1st December. By equity shares. But beta, first buy bank, hidden entry for interest. So this is very important. Who will leave this interest, beta? No one. Hidden interest. Now you have 2,20,000 into 8% into September हो गया ना, October, November, 2 months interest. Divided by 6. 2,20,000 into 8%. करेक्ट है? कितना आया रे बेटा? What is the amount that you are getting? कैलसी धोखा दे रहा है. 2,933 ना? No, no. Sorry. Not this. How many percentage you converted into? Sorry. 2,20,000 into 25% are only getting converted now because 75% you are continuing. So into 25% into 8% into 6/12. Now you got this concept. So hidden interest only for conversion. So those debentures who are getting converted, 2,20,000 ka 25%. So this is 55,000. 55,000 into 8% divided by 6. So correct answer is 733. 75% you are going to continue now, my friend. Understood? And you are asked to prepare. Oh. Balance sheet date is not important. Here it is to bank. Here also I made a mistake. It's to bank. 1st April 15. 1st April is to bank, not to balance brought down. It's the first year. Okay. So friends, it's to bank. We do not have any opening balances. We do not have any opening balance. 2,933. But we will consider only for 2 months. Yes. Now it's correct, beta. 2,20,000 into 25% because they are getting converted. Now they are not with us. Equity shares जो है वो हमारे साथ रहेंगे, not debentures. So debentures we are getting converted into equity shares up to 25%. So first we will take interest for that, for 2 months का interest. 2/12. Sorry, 2/12. 2/12 from October and November. Only 2 months interest. Only 2 months interest. October and November. Because we are getting converted into equity shares. Last interest we got on 30th September. So देखो 30 सितंबर को इंटरेस्ट मिला था, अभी वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे. किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे? इक्विटी शेयर्स में. इक्विटी शेयर्स में कब कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं? 1 दिसंबर. तो कोई 2 महीने का इंटरेस्ट छोड़ेगा क्या? सर 75% का क्या? अरे वो अलग है ना. 75% we will continue. 25% we are getting converted into equity shares. So conversion into equity shares for 25%. So first we will take interest and then we will get the entry for conversion. And now red pen, buy equity shares. Buy equity shares. Yes. How many equity shares, beta? So 2,20,000 into 25%. 2,20,000 we left with into 25%. So 55,000 we are getting converted. And what is the cost for us? Cost is similarly. Now what is the total of this 2,16,000 plus 1,10,000 is a cost 3,26,000 तो 3,26,000 divided by 3,000 into 55,000. So you are getting converted into 550. Sorry, not 555, 550. So 3,26,000 divided by 3,000 into 550. So my answer is 59,767 at cost. At cost. See, 3,26,000 is my cost for 3,000. So 55,000 ke liye kitna? So my entry will be very easy. Equity shares comes in and debenture goes out at what price? At X interest only. Now you got this concept. Easy che. Now 31st December. Again red pen. Buy interest receivable for 3 months from October to December. Interest receivable are a closing entry. In which column? Interest column. 2,20,000 into 75% into 8% into 3 by 12. 3,300. And buy balance carried down. Normal pen. Now you left with 2,20,000 ka 75%. 1,65,000. And what is the cost? 110. And what is our cost beta? One debentures ka? Our one debenture cost 3,26,000 divided by 3,000. So 108.667. So cost or NRV, whichever is lower. So we will record it at 108.667. 3,16,000 divided by 3,000 into 173,800. And now you can take a total. So what is new in this question? Conversion into equity shares. And very logical, when you are converting into equity shares, so first step, calculate interest for conversion portion. So this is your index. Calculate interest for conversion portion. And then cost getting converted into equity shares. Cost is getting converted into equity shares. देखो, मैंने 3,26,000 ये 3,000 के लिए पे किया था. तो कन्वर्जन कितने का हो रहा है? बैलेंस 25%. बैलेंस इज 2,20,000 इंटू 25%. सो उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. सिंपल छे और डिफिकल्ट? नाउ टेल मी बेटा हर्षित, इट्स स्टिल डिफिकल्ट और नाउ इट्स वेरी सिंपल? यस हर्षित, इजी था या डिफिकल्ट था बेटा? And one more working note, beta. Cost or NRV, whichever is lower. I will show you the answer. I will show you the answer for May 2016. हाँ बेटा, we have to less sold debentures for conversion portion. हर्षित बोल रहा था बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. हाँ 2/12 आएगा, बराबर है, 6 महीने का नहीं, 9 महीने का आएगा। हर्षित इजी छे। अरे कविता, 179। एंड दिस इज वर्किंग नोट टू, लोअर ऑफ कॉस्ट और एनआरबी 2,16,000। मार्केट वैल्यू की जरूरत नहीं है ना बेटा, इक्विटी शेयर्स का अकाउंट ही नहीं पूछा है मोहम्मद असलम, इक्विटी शेयर्स का अकाउंट ही नहीं पूछा है बेटा। इन क्वेश्चन नैनेश इट इज गिवन, आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया, क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि कैलेंडर ईयर इज अ बैलेंस शीट डेट, आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया नैनेश। एक तो पूरा थ्योरी रहना चाहिए। यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए बेटा नैनेश, द अकाउंटिंग ईयर इज अ कैलेंडर ईयर इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, द अकाउंटिंग ईयर इज अ कैलेंडर ईयर इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन। देखो, एक बार हिंदी में बता देता हूँ, बहुत से बच्चे पूछ रहे सर हिंदी में बोल दीजिए। सी, ये सिंपल था, 1 अप्रैल 1 जुलाई, यहां तक की कहानी इजी थी। 30 सितंबर, 1 अक्टूबर, क्वेश्चन कहां से शुरू हुआ, कन्वर्जन। कन्वर्जन हुआ 1/12 को। अभी मेरे पास कितने डिवेंचर्स बचे, 2,20,000। 2,20,000 डिवेंचर्स में से 25% कन्वर्ट हो गए इनटू इक्विटी शेयर्स, ये चार्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड 75% ये मेरे कंटिन्यूएशन में है। अभी 2,20,000 का 25% जो कन्वर्जन हुआ, ये 1 दिसंबर को हुआ। अभी 1 दिसंबर को हुआ, 30 सितंबर को लास्ट इंटरेस्ट मिला था। तो सबसे स्टेप 1 आपकी क्या रहेगी, 2 महीने का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कन्वर्जन पोर्शन। एंड स्टेप 2, इक्विटी शेयर्स को डेबिट देना है। और कौन से प्राइस पे रिकॉर्ड करना है, कॉस्ट प्राइस, जिसपे हमें कॉस्ट पे मिला। इक्विटी शेयर्स, अभी हमें कितने में शेयर्स आए थे, 2,20,000, ये हमारे बचे हुए शेयर्स। अभी इसमें से कंटिन्यूएशन में कितने होंगे, दिस इज अ फेस वैल्यू, 2,20,000 इंटू 25%, तो 55,000 मेरे कन्वर्ट हुए। और जो कन्वर्ट नहीं हुए वो कितने हैं, 1,65,000। समझ में आया पूरा। वो बाय बैलेंस का रिट डाउन करके दिखेंगे। और कॉस्ट पे मुझे रिकॉर्ड करना है, कॉस्ट कितनी है, 3,26,000, ये 3,000 डिवेंचर्स की। तो 55,000 मतलब 550 के कितने, वो प्राइस पे मैं कन्वर्ट करूंगा। इट्स वेरी सिंपल, लॉजिकल भी है। और मेरा ईयर एंडिंग 31 दिसंबर हो रहा है, तो 3 महीने का इंटरेस्ट की मैं आउटस्टैंडिंग एंट्री पास करूंगा। क्यों आउटस्टैंडिंग एंट्री, क्योंकि मुझे आता है इंटरेस्ट मार्च महीने में। सो मार्च महीने मतलब 6 महीने बाद इंटरेस्ट आएगा, तो बाय इंटरेस्ट रिसीवेबल की एंट्री, और बचा हुआ बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन। કેટલો इजी છે, કેટલું इजी છે। यस, यू हैव टू डू इट टेक्निकली, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है। एक बार चेक कर लीजिए। 1,79,000 ओ सॉरी 1,79,300 देखो कॉस्ट एक बार कैलकुलेट करने दो 3,26,000 डिवाइड बाय 3,000 इंटू बचा कितना 165 हाँ 179,300 आ रहा है सॉरी सॉरी ये आंसर में तो आपको मैं स्क्रीनशॉट मेरा ओरिजिनल हैंडराइटिंग का देता हूँ हाँ ये लीजिए स्क्रीनशॉट जिनको भी लेना है 2,16,000 प्लस 1,10,000 डिवाइड बाय 3,000 इंटू 550 जिनको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है वो ले लीजिए these two entries are important one by loss नहीं these two red pen entries और कौन सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन था टेल मी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन No, beta Muhammad, I can't upload this because this answers not 100% correct. So that's why I cannot upload these answers. Yes, beta. Balance carried down by 179,300 is a correct answer. इक्विटी शेयर्स में हर्षित कैसे एंट्री करेंगे तो इक्विटी शेयर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट तो इक्विटी शेयर्स अकाउंट ओपन ही नहीं करना है ना भाई इक्विटी शेयर्स अकाउंट ओपन ही नहीं करना है yes now someone is asking me question number 10 ठीक है चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 कर लेते हैं बिफोर ब्रेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ए फर्स्ट 4 क्वेश्चंस ओवर ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 so normally 8 marks questions normally 8 marks questions okay yes I will complete question number 10 FIFO मेथड कोई दिक्कत नहीं FIFO मेथड so before break question number 10 I'm telling you one important point those students who are watching this recorded sessions or ICI YouTube lectures, I am seriously telling you, at least for my subject, I don't think you are going to fail it in the exam. So, if you are getting all concepts correct, see, silly mistakes, it's okay. First question is that, sir, we are finding this topic difficult. First time when you are solving it. I have seen many of my students, many students. Those who are solving past examination questions regularly, they never failed in exam. They scored above 80. But what happens? Normally, you are not solving all chapters from study material and past examination questions. Any subject, for any subject, not only for my subject. Now, I don't know exactly whether other faculties are taking past examination questions or not, but I always tell to my students, you do scanner question first, once you understood the concept. Whenever you are solving scanner questions, though you are finding it's a similar one, but don't leave that question कि ये ऊपर का ही question का copy paste है. Don't, because it's your practice. For avoiding silly mistakes, sir, normally I'm getting all concepts, but problem is that I'm not getting the correct answer, sir. Somewhere I'm getting a wrong answer. I calculated wrongly. And why this happens? Patience, focus, concentration level. Now see, I also made a mistake in calculation. Sometimes because my calci is better, you are not giving me one calci. एक calci लेना मतलब मेरी महीने भर की रोजी रोटी चली जाएगी. It's very costly. तो पर ठीक है, jokes apart. But the part is that, sir, please do practice regularly. Pressure is always there. So I always tell to my students, do only 2 subjects in a day. 30% is a classwork, 70% is your own preparation to get success in first exam. Normally, students are sitting from morning 7 to night 7 in classes, beta, how they are going to pass. I really don't understand. When they will do the practice, when they will solve questions by their own. Now, every one of you, I'm getting very happy when you are telling me, sir, please take this question. Yes, Harshit बोलता है, अब्दुल बोलता है, कविता पूछती है कि sir, this question na, it's difficult one. It means you are solving these questions by your own and which is required in CA course. Now I'm aware, अक्षोभ्य, मुझे सभी के नाम almost अभी पता है. Those who are regular in class. I have never seen you. But beta, there is one connection कि जो हमें बताता है कि भाई हाँ ये मेरे स्टूडेंट्स है, ये पास होने चाहिए, इनके लिए मैं कुछ तो करूंगा. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और आप लोग, yes, I'm very happy that everyone now for next 3 chapter also, please do the same technique. It's okay. It's only a subject of 3 sub topics. 3 topics के लिए मैं नहीं हूँ, पर वापस आने ही वाला हूँ. Okay. So same technique you apply for that 3 topics. First, understand the concept by that faculty. See past examination questions. Past examination questions के बाद वापस से you solve it by your own by using टिक-टिकी technique, and then you will get the confidence. Confidence you will get only after. If you solve these past questions easily, then it will build your confidence. Sir, by watching sessions, nothing is going to, help you out. Only if faculty is explaining you and you are not solving anything. For any subject, even for law, write 3 questions daily. Whenever there is a law session, now I don't know whether you started with law or not, but taxation, don't refer answer directly. First, try to understand why this provision. Why income tax department want to introduce this provision? Because they want to take tax from you. And whenever, for example, if you are doing house property, if you are earning from house property, rent income, why income tax will not take tax from you? So if you have one property, it's okay. Second property, you always apply. As income tax officer, you think on that. Then beta, this provision will get clear. ये provision मैं ला रही क्यों? मैं income tax से, मैं खुद बेयर टैक्स, मैं income tax department, तो मुझे ये लाने की जरूरत क्यों आई? मैं किसी को जहां पे इनकम होगा वहां पे मैं लोगों से पैसा लूंगा। तो ये प्रोविजन इसीलिए आया। ये आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा, लॉ मेकर बनना पड़ेगा, थिंक बियॉन्ड बॉक्स। ओके, सो this is very important in CA course, that you think logically, and not only logically, but at the same time you can retain it after 7 to 10 days. सर ये प्रेशर तो हैंडल होना मतलब कल की सूर्या की बैटिंग थी। क्या प्रेशर रहेगा कल उसके ऊपर। ठीक है इंडिया हार गई, बट एटलीस्ट इसमें से आपको क्या मिला कि प्रेशर में रह के भी क्यों नहीं विकेट छोड़ दिया, सबने विकेट छोड़ दी पर एंड तक डटा रहा। और यही चीज हमें सीए कोर्स भी सिखाता है। ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट। ये जो भी मैंने बात किया अभी तक, यू विल टेक इट एट पॉजिटिवली, और सेम आप लोग कंटिन्यूएशन में करोगे। यस, चलिए। इलस्ट्रेशन 10। आलोक जी, इट्स नॉट अलाउड। Mr. Chatur had 12% debentures of face value of rupees 100 of Messrs Unnati Limited as current investment. Now, current investment means, sir, cost or fair value, whichever is lower pay, I will record it. 1/4/2014. He provides you the following information. Due date of interest, 30th June and 31st December. Closes his books on 31st March, means there is opening and closing interest. He incurred 2% brokerage on all his transactions. Very good, sir. Chatur followed FIFO method. Okay, sir. चलिए, sequence. 1st April, opening balance. When last interest is paid? 4,000 debentures costing 98. 3 months. Opening में 3 months का interest, because last interest is paid on 31st December, January, February, March. Okay, 1st June. 1st June means beta 31st December is the last interest. So 5 months ka interest here, 5 months. And plus whatever the amount you have to pay brokerage. Okay, 2% ka brokerage. 1/9/2014, he sold 3,000 debentures. 1/9/2014. But बीच में कौन आया बेटा? 30 June. 6 months interest on 6,000 debentures. So this is your sequence. After that, 1st September. 1st September, sold 3,000 debentures minus 2% brokerage. First, here it is 2 months. 7, 8. 2 months interest. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 months interest. Then 31st December, 6 months ka interest. 31st December, 6 months interest. On how many debentures? 4,000 plus 2,000, 6,000. 6,000 minus 3,000 minus 2,000. So I left with 1,000 debentures. 6 month interest on 1,000 debentures. Then 31st Jan, again purchase 100 rupees, 3,000 debentures, and market value is 105. Very simple question. Now question is of brokerage. Question is of brokerage. Okay. So what is the expected answer of ICI? Write down. Investment account, date, particulars, face value, interest, cost, date, particulars, face value, interest cost. Draw fast, draw fast. चलिए, ओके. Date, first April, two balance brought down and two interest receivable. 4,000 means 100 rupees के हिसाब से 4 lakhs, 4,000 into 98, 3,90,000. Interest rate 12% for 3 months. This is 12,000. Interest 3 months का outstanding interest 12,000. So this is your debit side. Correct है? Any difficulty? No, sir. Then we bought on 1st June. After one line, 1st June to bank. Two lakhs into 12% into कितने मंथ्स का लिखा था आपने? 5 months. 5 by 12. 2 lakhs into 12%. Yes. 2 lakhs into 12% into 10,000. At what price? 2,000 into 120. Now see, brokerage is on transaction price. So it might be cum interest or ex interest. Now it is given that cum interest. So 120 brokerage is added. First brokerage is added or deducted and then deduct your interest. Cum interest. Okay. So 2,000 into 120 into brokerage and then minus 10,000. So brokerage add करके आपको ये करना है. So 234,800. I am getting answer 234,800. So brokerage has to be added on transaction. Okay. So ICAI what they expect कि brokerage आपको transaction पे add less करना है. So first brokerage and then if it is come interest, deduct interest and then you will get the answer. Okay. So ये ICAI को expected है. 1st June over. Then 30th June. Now how many debentures you have? By bank. Only in interest column. Now I have 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs into 12%, for 6 months. 36,000. 36,000. Calculate 6 lakhs into 12% into 6 by 12 in interest column. Over. Next. Next is 1st September. Now see, 1st September by bank, 3 lakhs. Beta, how many months, beta? 3 lakhs into 2 months, na? 3 lakhs, take on calci, 12% into 2 by 12. So 1% matlab 6,000. Kitna आया? 6,000. At what price? 3,000 into 110 minus 2%. And then minus 6,000 because it's a cum interest. Cum interest tha na? Now this 3,000 FIFO method. See, opening balance. Otherwise, you can prepare this working note. Lot of debentures. Lot number 1, 2. Numbers. Sold. Balance. Sold and balance. Numbers starting में 4,000 and then $2,000. Now out of this you sold 3,000. Okay. So first lot में से बेचा. So lot of debentures. Lots of debentures. Okay, if you want to prepare this working note, otherwise there is no need. It is only for understanding purpose, beta. After 3 lines, write down working note 2. Profit oblique loss on sale. Sale. When you sold it, beta. 1st September. Serial number. Particulars. Computation. Rupees. Roman 1 sales value. As above. Okay. $3,17,400. 3,17,400. Cost. Cost is 3,92,000 divided by 4,000. First in, first out. So it is from lot 1 and you sold 3,000. Okay. So for 4,000, 3,92,000. So this is lot number 1, 392. So for 3,000, kitna? 3,000 you sold. 2,94,000. कितना लॉट का अमाउंट है? 2,94,000. ठीक है, 2,94,000. So profit 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. 23,400. To profit 23,400. Now 1st December. Now understand. This is important. By bank. By bank. 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs into 12% into how many months? 5 months. This is 10,000. Then 2,000 into 105 x interest. So minus 2%. Don't deduct interest. Two lakh 5,800. And now lot 1 you left with beta 1,000. So you sold 1,000 out of this and 1,000 out of lot 2. So first lot 1 balance is 0. Second lot is still there, 1,000. So 1,000 from lot 1 and lot 2 1,000. देखो 4,000 में से 3,000 मैंने पहले ही बेच दिए थे, तो मैंने लॉट 1 यूज किया, पर लॉट 1 अभी कितना यूज करूंगा? फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. तो 1,000 लॉट 1 में से जाएगा और 1,000 लॉट 2 में से जाएगा. सो देयर आर 2 लॉट्स 1 and 2. ओके, चलिए. सो वर्किंग नोट 2 के बाद वर्किंग नोट 3. वर्किंग नोट 3 प्रॉफिट ऑब्लिक लॉस ऑन सेल $112. Serial number, particulars, computation, rupees. सीरियल नंबर 1 कितना आएगा? देखो बेटा, सेल्स वैल्यू. चलो लिखो जल्दी जल्दी. सेल्स वैल्यू एज अबाउ. यस, कैन यू टेल मी सेल्स वैल्यू एज अबाउ? 2,05,800. 2,05,800. And now very important calculation. Roman 2 less cost. Cost lot 1 का cost 3,92,000. lot 1 का 3,92,000 for 4,000. तो 1,000 के लिए कितना? 98,000. And lot 2 234,800 divided by 2,000, and you sold out of this 1,000. $1,17,400. And then your profit oblique loss 1 minus 2. So 2,05,800 minus 98,000 minus 1,17,400. So you are in loss of 9,600. It's a loss. Negative figure. So negative figure means loss. loss. On the same side, you are going to write by loss 9,600, working note 2. Sorry, working note 3. And this is working note by loss 9,600. It's very simple working note, beta. Second working note over. Now it's time for 31st December interest by bank. Interest date, beta. Now you left with 1,000, na? Means 1 lakh into 12% into 6 by 12. 6,000. Then again you bought some debentures. Again you bought some debentures on 31st Jan. 31st Jan to bank. So now your lot is increased. 3,000. Means 3 lakhs. Sorry. 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs into 12% into how many months? 1 month. 1 month. So beta, this is 3,000. 3,000 into 100 plus 1%. 3 lakh 3,000. 3 lakh 3,000. Sorry, 1% क्यों रे बेटा? 2% है ना? Sorry, 2%. 3 lakh 6,000. And now you have lot number 3, 3,000. So now you left with 1,000 balance and of lot 2 and 3,000 of lot 3. So now you have 4,000 debentures. How many debentures beta you have? 4,000. 4,000 debentures. So 31st December by interest receivable, first interest receivable, as balance sheet date is not important, is not equal to 4 lakhs. 31st March, sorry, 31st March, not December, 31st March. 4 lakhs into 12% into 3 months. 4,000, 12,000. And then by balance carried down. Now here it is 4 lakhs and cost और ये हमें find out करना पड़ेगा. Working note 4 and then you will get the answer. Now working note 4 is for closing balance. So working note 4, closing value. Lower of cost. Now what is cost beta? Cost you left with 1,000, na? 1,17,400. Cost is lot 2, 1,17,400 and lot 3 as it is. Lot 3 तो कुछ बेचा नहीं उसमें से, so 3,06,000. Lot 2 के 1,000 and lot 3 के 3,000. 3,06,000. So total cost 117,400 plus 3,06,000, 423,400. And fair value or market value, fair value is 105. $4,000 into 105. 4,20,000. Whichever is lower, So by balance carried down, I will record it at 4,20,000. So again, I am having a loss, reduction in the value, 3,400. And now you can tally by loss 3,400. So this is your debit side. You can check, this is your debit side. And this is your credit side. This is your credit side. Yes. Take a break. Any question till now? Now it's easy, beta. We'll solve one more question on this. Question 15. Easy tha? Yes. Chaliye. So take a break. Now tell me which question. Which question, beta? On demand of अब्दुल भाई, नवंबर 2012 નો क्वेश्चन करवा दीजिए. बेटा नवंबर 2012, can you tell me the question number, अब्दुल भाई? अरे ये इससे इजी क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है भाई? अब्दुल तू कहां से ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछने लगा? ओके. राइट शेयर्स का जो छोटा सा पार्ट बचा है दैट वी विल टेक इट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. राइट शेयर्स का एक पार्ट बचा है दैट वी विल टेक इट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन, दैट बोनस शेयर्स एंड राइट शेयर्स. Okay, so we have one more day. This is this. I'm really happy that we have one more day. I thought this is the last session. On 1st April 2011, show index of this chapter. Yes, beta, index. चलो एक इनकी ख्वाहिश पहले पूरी कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. Index, index, index. Yes, you can take screenshot of index. चलो जल्दी से ले लो इंडेक्स का स्क्रीनशॉट. I also do not have full index, beta, up to 6th illustration. And this is TYK index. All are A plus category questions. ठीक है. यस, चलो एक एक आपकी ख्वाहिश कंप्लीट करते जाता हूं. शो इंडेक्स हो गया. प्रियंका पांडे जी पूछ रहे टीवाई के क्या होता है बेटा. अभी ऑलमोस्ट प्रियंका वी आर हियर आफ्टर 3 चैप्टर्स. ये आपको इन टीवाई के क्या होता है पता होना चाहिए. टीवाई के मीन्स टेस्ट यूर नॉलेज बिलो स्टडी मटेरियल. सो बिलो स्टडी मटेरियल टीवाई के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. आफ्टर स्टडी मटेरियल क्वेश्चंस उसको टीवाई के बोलते हैं, टेस्ट यूर नॉलेज. यस, एनी अदर डाउट? क्वेश्चन 17 भी सेम है, टिकटिकी जी लगा के सॉल्व करवा दीजिए. ओके, चलो अब्दुल भाई का पहले होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछा है अब्दुल भाई ने? नवंबर 2012. On 1st April 2014, 1/4/2011, Mr. T. Sher Khan 5,000 equity shares. So 5,000 equity shares of 100 each, purchase at 120, brokerage 2%. चलो कैलकुलेट अमाउंट उधर के उधर ही करो. शेयर्स का अमाउंट उधर के उधर ही करेंगे. टेल मी द अमाउंट. 5,000 into 120 plus 2%, 6,12,000 प्लस 50 पैसा 100 रुपीज के लिए. ओके, ऑफ शेयर ट्रांसफर स्टैम्प. नहीं तो टोटल कितना हुआ? 2.5% ब्रोकरेज टोटल. तो 5,000 into 120 plus 2.5%, 6,15,000. 2% brokerage and 0.5%, so 2.5. On 31st Jan, bonus 1:2. 2,500 shares. Before and after record date of bonus shares, this is 175 and 90 per share. Okay, market value. Market value 90 we will consider. And he sold bonus shares. Bonus shares for, so beta bonus shares कितने हैं? 2,500. Who charge 2% brokerage. Who charge 2% brokerage. तो ये क्या हो गया वापस? One minute बेटा. You only solve it. चलो फास्ट. पता नहीं लैपटॉप को कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गया है. एक 5 मिनट रुकिए. So wait for some technical problem. रुकिए. I will dictate you the answer. हाँ. Now you only tell me. So number of columns that you are going to prepare. Date. Particulars. Number of shares. So shares are sold at 90 rupees. 90 rupees का price है. Because after bonus 90 rupees is a market value. Can you calculate profit or loss on this? Yes, beta. Can you calculate profit oblique loss? This question is same as illustration 2. Yes, Abdul Bhai. Why you ask this question? Can you solve this question? 2 bank 5,000 shares 6,15,000. 2 bonus shares 2,500. This is not my laptop actually. ये tablet है. आप लोग इसका आंसर देख लीजिए जब तक मेरा लैपटॉप शुरू नहीं होता है. Yes, and then check your answer. November 2012 answer. Bonus shares. Are you getting the same answer, beta? $6,15,000 divided by इस वर्किंग नोट में थोड़ा सा गलत हुआ है. 6,15,000 is not 250, it's 6,15,000 divided by 7,500. लैपटॉप को क्या हो गया यार. Start. Yes. After understanding, after writing this, please tell me over. Whether the accounting treatment at cost, beta 50 paisa is 2.5. 15,500 is a profit. Correct, 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 correct. Acha. So he gets stuck due to 50 paisa. 50 paisa means beta 50% प्रॉफिट में ऐड हो जाएगा. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Mahima. Yes, this is illustration 4. Sir, when we have to take number of shares column and face value column. बेटा नहीं, हमें सिर्फ number of shares column लेना है. फेस वैल्यू कॉलम लेना नहीं है महिमा. ओके बेटा. आईसीआई ने भले कभी कभी फेस वैल्यू लिया है, कभी कभी नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स लिया है. वी विल टेक ओनली नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स कॉलम, नॉट फेस वैल्यू कॉलम. ओके. सो इन केस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन शेयर्स and whenever there is investment in debentures, we will consider face value. Okay. चलो. चलिए. Now we will see. Yes, now your request is for beta question number. You only give me a request, I will solve that question. चलो. Akanksha is asking for question number 17. Yes. Any other doubt, beta? चलो क्वेश्चन 17 कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन 17 टिकटिकी जी. ओके. क्वेश्चन 17 टिकटिकी जी के साथ. Whether the accounting treatment at cost under the head long-term investment without providing for diminution in the value of value is correct and in accordance with the provision of S13. If not, what should be the accounting treatment in a situation? What methodology should be adopted for ascertaining the provision of diminution in the value of investment? Explain in brief. See, beta, when your auditor is giving you the opinion or your management is deciding that reduction in the value of investment. What is the reduction in the value of investment? Then it is called as, we will record it at loss. Chalo. Okay. So permanent reduction, you have to reduce it from the investment value. Okay. Permanent reduction. Chalo. Time start ho chuka hai. Question number 17. Mr. Harsh provides you the following details relating to holding 10% debentures. 10%. 1/4/2018 opening balance. 30th June, 31st December. So 3 months. Then 1st June, purchase 9,000. 30th June, 12,500 plus 9,000. So 21,500. 1/11/2018. Again purchase. Then sold beta. अच्छा 1st June में कितने months हो गए? 1st June means 5 months. 1st 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 months. Then beta 31st December. 33,500 you have. Then you sold 13,500 1 month. And 31st March, 3 months closing interest receivable. 1% brokerage for each transaction. Same question in November 2019. November 2019. Investment account. Date. Particulars. Now I am doing exam presentation. Face value. Interest. Cost. Date. Particulars. Face value. Interest. Cost on 2 pages. चलो डेट 1 अप्रैल 1 अप्रैल 2 balance brought down 12,25,000 and face value 12,50,000 to interest receivable as balance sheet date is not equal to interest date. So 12,50,000 last interest is paid on 31st December. Beta, this is exam speed. You need it. 12,50,000 into 10% into 3 by 12. 31,250. Then 1st June, after one line, to bank 90,000 into 10% into 5 by 12. Then 900 into, sorry, this is 90,000, 90 lakhs, na? 9,000, wait. 9 lakhs, not 90 lakhs, 9 lakhs. Sorry, 9 lakhs, huh? 90,000 nahi hai, 9 lakhs. 9,000 into 98 plus 1%. 9 lakhs into 10%. 37,500 plus 1%. 890,820. Second transaction over. 30th June. 18 by bank. 1250 plus 900. 21,50,000 into 10% into 6 by 12 dash 21,50,000 into 10% into 6 by 12 means divided by 2. This is 1,07,500. Now first November 2018 to bank 12,000 na, means 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs into 10% into 4 by 12. 12 lakhs into 10% into 4 by 12. 40,000. 12,000 into 115 plus 1% minus 40,000 because it's a come interest. So 12,000 into 115 plus 1% minus 40,000. 13,53,800. Now, working note 1, lots, lot 1, 2, 3. Purchase and balance. So purchase कितना था? 12,500 lot 1, 9,000 and 12,000. 13,500 you sold. So out of this 12,500 and next lot में से 1,000. So you left with balance is 0. Here 8,000. Here 12,000. So this is a balance. So this is working note. Issue is only once, beta. Sold only once. Working note 2. Profit oblique loss on sale when you sold this on 31st Jan. Serial number, particulars, computation, rupees. Roman 1, sales value as above. Sales value is as above. Yes बेटा, कितना सेल्स वैल्यू था? अच्छा, हमने अभी तक लिखा ही नहीं है क्या? ओके ओके ओके, फर्स्ट विल राइट 31st Jan. 31st Jan 19 बाय बैंक. कितने मंथ्स का था बेटा? बाय बैंक 13,50,000. 13,50,000 into 10% into 13,500 into 110 minus 1% and come interest or X interest 11,250 come interest. Okay, so 13,500 minus 11,250, 14,58,900. 14,58,900. Now Roman 2 less cost lot 1. Lot 1 beta 12,25,000. lot 1 तो पूरा ही गया ना? full 12,25,000 and lot 2 कितना है? 890 820 for 9,000. तो 1,000 के लिए कितना? 98,980. So profit 134,920. Beta, this is exam speed. Profit 1 minus 2, 134,920. And then 31st March by interest receivable. Now you left with 20,000 20 lakhs into 10% into 3 by 12. Okay, so first, sorry. First 31 दिसंबर का इंटरेस्ट नहीं रिकॉर्ड किया गया हमने. 31 दिसंबर का इंटरेस्ट नहीं रिकॉर्ड किया. That's why this important line 31st December 18 by bank. 31 दिसंबर का लाइन लिखना रह गया. 31 दिसंबर में 33,500. So now you can write directly amount. Otherwise, if you want to show calculation, it's okay. 31st December into 10% into 6 by 12. 33 lakh. 10%. 167,500. Yes, I forgot that. So that's why one line is important. 167,500. 31st December. 31st December, I forgot that line. And now by interest receivable, 20 lakhs into 10%, 12. How much beta? 50,000. And buy balance carried down, 20 lakhs. And working note 3. Working note 3 beta. Closing value, lower of cost, lot 2 beta 890, 820 for 9,000, and you left with 8,000. $791, 840, lot 3 full, 1353, 800. $21 lakh 45, 640. And market value, $20,000 into, what is the market value beta? 115. $23 lakhs, whichever is lower, 2145, 640. So there is no reduction. Cost is only we are showing 21 lakh 45, 640. Now you can take a total and interest you have to transfer it to P&L. Interest you can transfer it to P&L. See, take a total 1250 plus 900 plus 1200, 33 lakh 50,000. $33 lakh 50,000. Well, 25 plus 890.82 plus 1353.8 plus 134.92. This 36 lakh 4,540 minus 14.8.9, 21 lakh 45, 640. Correct. So this is the total interest total 107.5 प्लस इंटरेस्ट का बोलो कितना आ रहा है 167.5 प्लस 11.25 प्लस 50 36 250 माइनस 31.25 माइनस 37.5 माइनस 40 कितना आया इंटरेस्ट का 227,500 बेटा these questions are really big questions. It's not for 10 marks. 10 into 1.8, 18 minutes, but 20 minutes is okay because these questions are really for 12 marks. According to me, these questions must for 12 marks. But ठीक है अभी ICI है 10 marks के लिए बहुत लेंदी हो जाता है. Okay. So you can take a screenshot if you want. This is the question. You can take a screenshot if you want. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. हाँ ज्ञानेश कॉस्ट से जो कम हुआ रहता तो ये लिया रहता. No beta, no change till November 23. I don't think your syllabus will get changed up to November 23. Interim dividend means which you get in between. Okay. Yes, beta. Bonus shares are eligible for interim dividend. Yes, Mohammed ji. Bonus shares are eligible for interim dividend. Harshit. Now any difficulty, beta? Harshit, now in this question. So 19 to 20 minutes you have to take for this. ठीक है. Today I'm leaving you early by 10 minutes. So अभी भी कुछ डाउट्स होंगे तो बोलो because we have one more day to complete this. So हमारे पास टाइम है. तो in next session I will take some combined questions. So December 21 हो गया था. अभी बोलो कौन से हो गए हमारे. 17th we have completed. 16 we will take in next session as a practice. 16, 15, 14. I will take it as practice. 13th is already over. It's very simple, blue and black. I think November 2015 का भी completed है. So in next session, you tell me only which questions you have to take as a practice. Are you finding it's easy now? आज थोड़ा जल्दी छोड़ता हूँ आपको. क्रेडिट साइड की टोटल गलत लिया है. Which total बेटा? Yes. GR Kankarni. Yes, what is your query beta? Kankarni ji. Kankarni. Kankaharini. Or Kanakharini ji. Okay. So, beta Kanakharini ji, what is your query? Sir. हाँ. Please, sir, explain my query. Beta, what is your query? ठीक है. लेंदी है पर इजी है. ठीक है. वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट एंड वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट बोथ आर सेम. यस बेटा. मरियम जी, here both are same. Whether the accounting treatment, reduction, what is the methodology? Permanent reduction questions you will not get for practical problems, but you may get it for theory questions. So they will give you permanent reduction, and that permanent reduction you will reduce it from the cost. So it's very simple, beta Kanak Harini ji. It's you have to just deduct it from your cost. The treatment is very simple. Permanent reduction is decided by the management or auditor. If they think ki nahi, it is a permanent reduction, now there is no scope to increase the share price. In that case, they will consider that that reduction. Okay. Right shares are also eligible for dividend. Yes, beta, right shares are also eligible for interim dividend. Interim dividend. Okay. Friends, investment chapter, you can see here 10 marks to 20 marks is a weightage. Every attempt they ask for 10 marks to 15 marks, and it's really very simple chapter. Once you got the logic behind it, go line by line and get the full marks. Okay, so line by line जाके आप full marks लेके आ सकते हो. बहुत simple है. बेटा Gaurav Jain, here is cost. Now see, beta, here in last question, see Gaurav Jain, in last question, fair value is less than cost. That's why we take the difference in P&L. If fair value is less, see, if fair value is less than carrying amount, now carrying amount means book value, cost. See, then we will take difference in P&L. But suppose if fair value is greater than carrying amount, so you are recording at its cost only. So you are recording at cost. For example, assume your closing balance is 100 rupees. This is a cost. And market value is 80. So 20 rupees you will adjust is by P&L, reduction in the value. But suppose if your cost is 100 and your market value is 130. See, now you are not showing it at market value. You are recording it at cost. So there is no need to take the difference in that case. देखो बेटा, 100 रुपए से कम ये तो हमारे बुक में दिखने ही वाला है. 100 रुपीज कॉस्ट पे हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट दिखने ही वाली है. सो 100 से मैं नीचे जाऊंगा तो मुझे लॉस रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा. पर 100 ही मेरी कॉस्ट होगी और 130 मेरी मार्केट वैल्यू होगी, तो मेरे बुक्स में वैसे भी 100 ही दिखने वाला है, तो डिफरेंस क्यों लूंगा? समझ में आया गौरव जी? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. कॉस्ट भी रिकॉर्ड करना होगा तो डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. यदि मार्केट वैल्यू पे रिकॉर्ड किया तो डिफरेंस आएगा. यस, गौरव जी की भी क्वेरी सॉल्व कर दी. नहीं बेटा अब्दुल, आज नको. अभी वो क्वेश्चंस 5 हम लोग शुरू करेंगे, पर मैं 17 से शुरू करूंगा, आज नहीं. सर माय नेम इज कनका हरिनी, नॉट कनक हरिनी. ओके, यस बेटा, कनका हरिनी जी. ओके, ठीक है, याद रखूंगा मैं आपका नाम. आई विल रिमेंबर योर नेम. यस गौरव, योर डाउट इज ऑल्सो सॉल्व बेटा. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? सर कंबाइंड क्वेश्चन इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. यस कविता, कंबाइंड क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्लास में ले लेंगे. थैंक यू. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मीट ऑन, कब मिलेंगे? वेडनेसडे. ओके, combined questions. So we are going to solve combined questions. 4 or 5 questions and then this chapter is beta very easy for you. चलो ठीक है. नो बेटा अब्दुल रहने दीजिए. हाँ ठीक है, चलो बाय और परसों मिलते हैं.